Hello people, in this video I wanna talk about this cool mobile game. It's on Android or iOS. It's a crypto game. You can get crypto or money. It's created by Hora Games and the token is called Hora. It was released on TRON network. Now it will move on Binance chain. Not yet, but it will soon because a new version will be tested and released soon, and then it will be something called Hora Hub, and there you can exchange your tokens, your Hora tokens. So what is this? This is a mining simulator. You can create your own rigs. You have miners. So this is the main menu in game. Let's say you have daily quests to do things and get points and events. From time to time there are events. Those are bonus, like here, dash. These are by default algorithm. Okay, so let's enter, for example, in event. In event, you have some targets. For each target, you get XP points. Enter event. Okay, so you have trading manager, infrastructure manager, traders, and here is what algo you can mine, and miners. You can level up. You have 25 rigs. Okay, let's go back to main menu. And some ads. From time to time you get an ad and you can get things for ads. Like one free daily crate, 10 dollars. This is the internal coin used. This. Okay, let's go to Etash. If you while idle, you can earn money in game money, not tokens. You can actually watch an ad and get double.
I used lots of cash apps.
I only use one.
Okay, I watch the ad, I get the money. There are two types of currency. With this, you can upgrade your miners infrastructure. With this, you can buy boosts like this, plants or pets. Buy from here, buy from here, and this is your inventory, your boost inventory. On double boost, you get double income, and watch another ad for this. Or you cannot. But if you want more money, watch that. Let's boost them. Puck. In this menu, you have all your managers. You can upgrade them with this currency. With the currency, you buy boost. Here is your account. I'm level 20. I start playing 3 years ago. Didn't play too much from time to time, let's say. Here it's a leaderboard. There are seasons. All the time there are seasons. So you can see this is season 174. Ends in 18 hours. The XP points. And you get the token. After the season ends, you get the token that you can exchange in money in the close future when a video will be released. Tokens to withdraw. As you can see, we are moving to BST and now withdraw rules will apply. Blah 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 blah. Okay. From time to time, you get promo codes. Enter them and get tokens. And on their Discord channel, there are rains every day, so you can get tokens from there too, like this. Let's see, where is the rain? Rain. I can see the rain. Make it rain. So you can see here are rains. And if you are online on Discord when the rain, you'll get tokens. This is fun to play. The graphics is cool, and I can't wait the next version. You have many algo. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Equihash, Ethash, Neospect, and Ravens. And here you have the medals. If you reach the targets in your events, you get medals: silver, bronze, platinum, champion. And if you share your champion badge in the Discord channel, in the specified channel, you can get a prize in tokens. So these are events and badges. This is just a small overview of the game. The game is cool. Here you can take overalls to get extra cash. Those cash that you can upgrade your managers and buy boosts. I have one in progress. Super cash. Daily quests. Here you can see your stats, your skills. You can upgrade this with skill points. There is a prestige. You make this prestige, you get more skill points, and you can research new skills or upgrade them. Here, this is the shop. You can buy things, and you have daily a free chest twice per day. Free cash 10, free chest. Watch an ad for every one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.